welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm bringing you another hair tutorial, and if you saw my previous headband wig video, then you already know how much I loved that headband wig. And I told you guys in that video I was going to get another one, but a curly one this time. And so today I'm actually going to be reviewing and installing a curly headband wig. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I have for you. Let's jump into it. Alright, so I don't recall the name of the company, but I will definitely drop the info down in the description box. But it comes in a bag like this. And let's see, we got the wig. We have a wig cap, which is the medium brown, dark brown. And another cute headband, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a bun and I'll be right back. So here's the wig. And of course it has the headband with the Velcro. And then it has a wig comb in the back, a wig comb in the center, and then a wig comb on both sides. But this one, unlike the previous one, does not have a wig comb in the front. And since I have on a wig cap, I won't be using the wig comb in the center. I'll use the sides and the back. I might not use any wig combs. Maybe just use the headband itself. So yeah, I wanted it back a little, so I just pushed it back, but I don't have any comb in it except for the one in the back, and it's very snug. But of course, if you want extra security, you can put in the side combs. I'm loving the way this looks. Yes, honey. I want it bigger, so I probably will tease it out a little bit. And of course, if you want to tame the curls and have like a really nice defined look, you can always wet it with water, comb it with like a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush, and then apply some mousse or some leave-in conditioner and then some mousse. But yeah, I'm loving her. Oh wait, maybe she's not as secure as I thought. Hold on. All right, so let's put the headband on, and then I'll do a couple looks for you guys today. All right, so I teased it out a little bit more, and let me there is a little bit of shedding, I will say that. Not anything too crazy, but there is, okay, nothing right now. Okay, there we go. We got one strand, and that was after what I did that 3 times, and it was on one strand. So there is some shedding that I noticed right off the bat. And this is the look with the headband. I am gonna apply some mousse. To the ends. The ends seem to be struggling. I might even cut the ends a little, trim them. And this is a 22-inch. Scrunch the ends up a little while it dries. Big heads don't care. So as you can see, I got a few strands when I put the mousse on, but like I said, nothing too crazy. Got a little ponytail. I'm gonna use this. You know, when you get your bundles, it comes with that silver or gold string rope. I'm gonna just use that to tie around my ponytail. Of course, you can take it and bun it. Do a top knot. Cute. All right, so let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. I am loving this wig. It is 22-inch deep wave. Got it from AliExpress. I'll be sure to drop the link in the description box down below so you guys can have all the wig details. And yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. It's a very versatile wig. It's comfortable. It is actually, I would say, medium and small head friendly. The other one was big head friendly, but this one is pretty snug for me. And you know, I have a smaller head, so I don't necessarily know that this one would work for a really large head, maybe, but like I said, it fits me pretty comfortably, so that would lead me to believe that it's medium and small head friendly for this one. But anyway, get into it. I'm loving it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Thanks for watching.